Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing clean source audio. You want a dry, high signal-to-noise recording so the model learns the voice, not the room. Once recorded, import a 24-bit WAV or FLAC at 44. 1 or 48 kHz into your chosen AI tool. Make sure it supports vocal isolation. Next, add 10 to 30 seconds of a reference voice if you plan timbre transfer, and name tracks clearly. This prevents confusion during processing. Now you isolate and transform, run source separation to remove bleed, and tighten gate threshold so sibilance isn't chopped. Then apply pitch correction and formant shifting. Tweak formants to preserve naturalness while changing perceived age or gender. Use a timbre transfer model if you want another voice's character. Adjust wet/dry mix to blend. Once done, batch render brief previews at multiple parameter sets so you can compare results quickly and choose the best direction. To finish, you clean artifacts with spectral repair and a gentle de-esser. Automate small gain rides to keep dynamics natural. Next, shape the result with corrective EQ and light compression, and add spatial effects sparingly so the altered vocal sits in the mix. Once satisfied, export isolated vocal stems and a mastered version. Embed metadata and save your preset so you can reproduce settings. If things go wrong, check sample rates and model input format first. Mismatches cause most errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.